Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a few projects. I am still doing my laundry. Yes, I am. And guys, almost at the finishing line. I still need to do my flooring and my cabinets, and then I'm also still looking for a faucet for the laundry, and then also I need to hang up two of my floating shelves on the other side of the wall, but you will see eventually. But yeah guys, I'm almost there. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed to get this one done and dusted and out of the way so I can really get to enjoy the space. But the laundry room itself, it is very much functional now. So yeah, let's just get into the video, today's video, and yeah, do enjoy. I made this bench out of the wood that I found on my carport, you guys. I love how it turned out. Like really, it was my first time attempting to make a bench, but well, in my opinion, I nailed it. So yeah, if you do try something like this, do tag me on Instagram. If you already know, you know that I am making a lazy Susan. So I decided to use these metal screws, self-drilling screws, and they worked quite well. But when I tried to use them on the top plate, it didn't actually work. They were clashing, and it couldn't turn. So I ended up using just drywall screws because they are also self-drilling, but I did drill holes with those ones. But yeah, it went in so beautifully. So right now I am doing reinforcement. I decided to throw in a concrete slab here for my washing machines to stand on, because I mean it's quite especially with my front loader, it's very low and I have back pain. So I decided I wanted to give it a little bit of height, not too much height, because also my ceilings here are quite short. So here I am using wire to tie together the reinforcing steel, and yeah, and then I also secured them with a little bit of brick on underneath just to give them some height, and then throwing in my concrete. So yeah, you guys.